This is our balance bag for a DOLFINOS violin rest. It has two sides. This is the mohair side, and here is the button to hook in to your system. So the mohair comes on your body like this. And as this has a direction, the friction adds the hold of the instrument when you wear it like that. So when it comes here, there's a counterbalance to lift up your instrument, and it's stable again. So take your DOLFINOS breast wing, open the slider of the breast of the clavicula side, like that. Then take the button and put it in the slider like that. So, like that. And then you can put the slider back in position, maybe like this. Like this. So, and then when this breast wing is on your instrument, on the adapter, you will put your instrument like this with the slider, adapt the slider to your body, and then the instrument will be balanced, counterbalanced by this balance bag, which when you play is nearly not felt, but it has this counterbalance action on your instrument. So you are mostly free with your left arm, and you do not have to press with your jawbone onto the chin rest. Thank you.